In this video, I will teach you how to enable the legacy REST API in WooCommerce. This is especially useful if you're using older plugins, apps, or integration that still rely on the legacy API instead of the newer one. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your WordPress website, the domain that you are an admin of. This is because WooCommerce is a part of WordPress. So go ahead on your browser and type in wordpress.com. If you don't have an account yet, all you have to do is to click on this Get Started button right here and sign up using your credentials. But if you already have an account, you can pretty much click on this login button right here and log in using your username and password. Once inside, it will look something like this. This is a domain that I have or a site that I have created using WordPress. So once you're inside your dashboard, all you have to do is to look on your left hand menu, which is right here, and then scroll down until you see WooCommerce right here. Then go to settings. And from here, all you have to do is to select advanced on the tab at the upper part of the settings. This is where WooCommerce keeps most of its API and developer related options. Now in the Advanced tab, all you have to do is to click on the Legacy API from the submenu, which is right here on the upper part of the page setup. So all you have to do is to click on the Legacy API, which is right here, and simply check this box that says the Legacy REST API is not enabled. So you just have to toggle this on. Some legacy API have a dedicated extension, so all you have to do is to download that specific plugin. And after doing all of that, all you have to do is to click on the Save Changes right here at the bottom of the page. This turns on the older API system that some third-party plugins still need in order to function correctly. Keep in mind that the legacy REST API is mostly for backward compatibility. So if you're using newer plugins or integration, they usually work with the newer WooCommerce and WordPress REST API. Only enable legacy API if your tool or extension specifically requires it. So that's all there is today. Hope we helped.